Hi, welcome to Food Menu channel. Today my delicious lunch recipe was something special. Let's start. Take it 1.5 cups of basmati rice, or you can use any raw rice, and wash 2 times to 3 times. Wash properly, then soak in water. Keep aside. Then take a half shell of fresh coconut, transfer to mixer jar. Then add 1.5 cups of water and grind it, and take coconut milk, strained. Use strainer or any cloth. Then put it in mixer jar again. Then add 1.5 cups of water. We need totally 3 cups of coconut milk, and again grind it. Then take coconut milk. Measure the coconut milk. We need 3 cups of coconut milk for 1 cup of rice. Perfectly 3 cups is there. And add rice without water. Now we add 2 slitted green chilies and mild masalas, 2 to 3 bay leaves, and little bit of stone flower, and japatri, 1 black cardamom, cinnamon, 2 anise flowers or 1, 2 green chili, 2 Marathi mango, and 3 to 4 cloves. Add to this rice. Then 1 or 2 stems of curry leaves and 2 slices of lemon. Mix well once it's mixed. Then keep it in stove on medium flame. Cook it. Then take 1 cup of curd, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. It will give good color to our curry. And 1 teaspoon of spicy red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi, and required salt. I am using here 3/4 tablespoon of salt, and squeeze a half lemon without seeds. Then mix all the masalas into the curd. Now check the rice once. Keep the plate or lid crossly while cooking the rice. Then mix it. 60% is cooked. Then keep the lid. Now add the veggies, 2 slitted green chili and 1 big size potato, and 3 capsicums and 3 onions cut into big pieces like shown. Mix well. Apply all masalas to veggies, then keep aside. Now check the rice. It's almost 70 to 75% cooked. Now we add 1 tablespoon of ghee and half teaspoon of salt. You can eat this rice without curry also. Then mix once. Do not mix toughly. Then close the lid. Then cook on low flame. Then take a kadai, add 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of ghee, add 1 teaspoon of cumin. Once fried cumin, then add 2 to 3 chopped onions. Fry onions until transparent. Then add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and again saute it. Now add 2 to 3 chopped tomato. Close it. Cook 2 to 3 minutes. Check the rice cooked or not using by water. Put little bit water and keep the vessel on this water. If sound is came, cooked perfectly. If not sound came, rice should be cooked. Then mix the marinated veggies and check the tomato is softened or not. Now add marinated veggies. Mix well, then close the lid. Cook 15 minutes on low flame, very low flame. Now check the cooked or not. 15 minutes over. I'm going to checking the potato and capsicum if it is cooked. Now our curry is ready. Finally add fresh coriander. Then stove off. Our rice also ready. You can remove lemon and bay leaves and serve coconut milk rice with potato capsicum curry along with mango. This is mango season now. That's why I am keeping mango in my lunch. Thanks for watching.